should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you. What things you like?
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and into my home. Today I'm filming during a sleet storm. This is newsworthy here in Texas. I shared over on my Instagram some photos that I sent to my son who lives in Alaska. He was very sweet, but I'm sure he was laughing under his breath. At the end of the video, I'll show you the after the sleet storm. I must admit, it's beautiful. Today is week 7 in our 6-month Declutter and Organize challenge, and we're going to be working on purging and organizing our makeup, skincare, and hair products. But before we get started, I'm going to give my house plants a spa day. The additional use of the heater has really sapped my plants of moisture. About once a month I do this. I give them a really good drink of water, I wash down their leaves, and then I add in my humidifier to drench them in moisture. I add in enough water to allow it to freely flow through the pots. When I set it back in their baskets is when I add fertilizer to their soil. The humidifier will be on for half the day, and by that time the shower is full of steam. I can imagine how happy my plants are on spa day.
All my questions, get to know you better. How can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? Will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, you should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down? Yeah. La 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 la
Okay, to get started, I bought some new clear containers for my drawers. I'm going to open them here with you. Currently, I keep my makeup in a travel bag and under my sink, but as we speak, I just had delivered my desk that I'll be setting up in my new office. It has a couple of nice drawers, and one of them I will turn into my makeup drawer. I'll share with you my office makeover in a new upcoming video. These are high quality, perfectly clear containers. There are 16 containers in 5 sizes, and each are almost 2 inches deep. I can use these all over my home. If you're interested in these, I'll add a link down in my description box. So many of you know that my oldest daughter is a professional makeup artist, and she passes down products to me all the time. However, I'm pretty good at purging makeup because I'm familiar with its ability to go bad if it's held on too long. I'll start here with my brushes. I have a hodgepodge of mismatched brushes, but they're all good quality. I'll be purging some because I have more than what I need.
I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break it. I swear, you're falling into me, touch me. I swear.
Now I'm going to go through the variety of tubes that I have. For what it's worth, Instagram influenced me to buy this mascara and stick eyeshadow, and it's everything that it says it is. It's made by Thrive, and I'll certainly be buying more. These other mascaras I no longer use since I'm using the Thrive, so I'll discard them since they're getting past their prime. This container has some products that didn't fit in my bag. Some were given to me by my daughter Lauren, and others I bought but I'm no longer using. Everything left in the container is what I'm purging. These are all my eyeshadows and blushes. I have quite a few of them. Most I don't use, so I'll be purging these.
Just watch me break it.
I'm going to go ahead and lay out my blushes. I see that I have some that are similar in color, so I'll keep one of each color that I wear.
I wanna make it sweat on me. We got everything we need right here.
These two are my bases, and both of them I use. This base brush is a game changer for me. It lays my base on evenly. I also have it in the kabuki brush. I use both of them, so I'll keep both of them.
Sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck.
I'm using the top of this box to hold my containers so that I can transfer them into the drawer once I get my desk built. I'm going to go ahead and wipe down the brushes. I recently cleaned them, so they're not very dirty, but I'll take a little time to go ahead and remove what makeup is in them.
Blowing up a thunder, wash it over me, yeah. We got everything we need right here.
I'll clean up this travel bag and then save it for my next vacation. Here's everything that I'm purging so far.
Where you wanna go.
Alright, now I'm pulling out all my hair products. I'm sorting them into like items here. Many know that I'm a former hairstylist, so hair products are my weakness. But like makeup, hair products can go bad, especially the wet products. So I don't hold on to them very long.
Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder.
Do you want a good hair mask? Go ahead and try coconut oil on dry hair. Wrap it up in a warm towel, t-shirt, or a turban. I wear mine for a couple of hours and then I shampoo and condition as usual.
We got everything,
Some of these products belong in my guest bathroom, and some are lotions. So I'm going to go ahead and divide them up, and then I'll organize what I will keep underneath this sink.
yeah. In the empty bottle lies all the answers. Write down all your memories, feel the things you wanna feel, yeah. In the empty bottle lies all the answers.
I'm being very thoughtful in which container I put what items. Since I have less products, I can rearrange them differently. I also want to keep the most used items towards the front of the basket to make it easier to get to when I slide the container out. I'll put all my wet items on the side. Wet items are products that you use in your hair while your hair is wet. And on the back right side will be my dry shampoo, hairspray, and shine spray. In this container is where I keep all my face stuff. I have clay masks, gel masks, and any other kind of mask that you need. I also have a variety of oils that I use on my skin.
I'm feeling you could be the one.
In this last container, I'll put my lotions, Epsom salts, self-tanner and mitt, and a couple of baby lotions for when the kids bathe in my tub.
Don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming because you know I can't get.
Okay, so now I have everything purged and organized. I love when items have a place that they belong.
I don't wanna wake up, I don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to. Baby, without you, I wouldn't know what to. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know, I wouldn't know what to do.
Before I put these back underneath the cabinet, I'm going to go ahead and give it a quick vacuum and a wipe out. And then we'll organize my hot tools, and at the very end, we'll do my skincare products.
Oh, you know, when you Sometimes I forget to breathe.
I hope that you've been enjoying the Declutter and Organizing Challenge. I designed this for all the women out there who are too busy to take on large decluttering projects. If you're like me, you become overwhelmed easily with pulling everything out. So I find that I'm less anxious if I break these areas down into bite-sized pieces. If you haven't already, shoot me an email and I'll send you a copy of our Declutter and Organizing schedule, so that way you can follow along with what comes next.
Baby, without.
These are all my hot tools, my round brushes, my Velcro rollers, things like that. I'm going to go ahead and go through all this, get rid of what I don't need, and reorganize all of it.
Wouldn't know what to. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. I wouldn't know what to do. I wouldn't know what to do. Baby, without. I wouldn't know what to do. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. You got me wrapped around your finger. Tell me what you wanna do. I think we're part of something bigger, and now my mind is filled with you. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Baby, without. I wouldn't know what to. Baby, without you, I wouldn't know what to. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Baby, without. I wouldn't know what to do. Baby, without. I wouldn't know what to do. I wouldn't know what to do. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Baby, without.
We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. You leave me hanging, begging for more.
Alright, so this is the skincare line that I'm currently using. I just recently started in this line, and so far so good. I also love the simplicity of the bottles and how they look on my counter. I use an app on my phone to tell me which items to use when, because some products you don't want to mix together. I'll link that app down in my description box if you're interested in that. Okay, so here's the after shot of all the sleet. I'm sure that many of you see much more cold weather than this, but like I said, in Texas this is newsworthy. I want to thank you again for visiting me today. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. It lets YouTube know that you like my content. I'm working really hard to build my subscriber list, and I'm hoping to hit 500 soon. So please subscribe, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you get reminded every time I post a new video. I'll see you again on Wednesday with my zone cleaning video. Stay blessed, my friends.
You think about it too, when the lights go out and there's no doubt that I should be with, that I should be. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're